vlog channel. Oh my god.
And guys, this is Mom, I'll be right there in the big piece. And guys, this is Sienna. This is Sienna's friend.
Christian, Isaac, brother, friend.
This is like a really rainy day.
Yeah.
And if you look over here, there's sunshine right there, even though it's like raining.
I think my phone's waterproof, thank God.
And we heard like thunder for the past 3 times. And like
5,000 of
yeah,
them.
like 3 times. Did you guys see that? You guys should have seen that. You guys had to have. You guys had to have seen that.
Yeah. I'm literally gonna throw my phone around everywhere. Wow, that's an update. Colorado Springs.
Listen to I
Yeah.
hope you guys got that on the camera because
No, we're doing.
I hope you guys saw that on the camera because
I got
you
that.
guys definitely saw that, right? You guys definitely saw that.
Hey, before we do this video, okay, before he finishes, so like, subscribe, comment.
It's always like
Who cares?
smash that like button.
No,
Do it.
Just tap it. Don't kill the phone.
I
Stop.
already ended the video.
No, I didn't.
Oh my god! That lightning was real close! It's right behind the complex! It was right behind us! This building! Ah! Why am I laughing? Ah! Sick! We don't have any electricity on us, so we can't freaking get electricity.
I'll let you videotape
That
while you do
struck right in the apartment complex.
No, legit. No, if it strikes the ground, we're all getting electrocuted.
No, all the cars are, and they're exploding.
No, they're gonna turn it on.
Oh, you're stinking.
I think you're disgusting. Ew. One more over here. Jesus. Getting a 360 view right here. That's guys. That's so great.
We're doing a replay of this, well, a remake, because we just spotted a lot of lightning from last time, guys.
We sound like a freaking forecast. Okay, see you guys in a bit. What up? Dude, what's up?
That was 3.
Bruh, I'm still No, I'm still videotaping this for YouTube. Now, it's still pretty bad. If you guys live in Colorado right now, by the time this gets up, you should know how bad it is. And you guys can relate.
Show them the all of Sienna's fans.
And look at the freaking trees. It's like freaking tornado's gonna come, or freaking hurricane.
Fans, I am back.
I only have 1 subscriber right now. It's Jamie.
All of you need to subscribe now, or else you'll get hit by lightning.
Yeah, and
If you don't subscribe, we'll die and we'll never make another YouTube video.
Well, I won't, because it's my channel.
Yeah, but if you guys don't subscribe, bad things are gonna happen.
Okay, we're gonna go back up to the 3rd building floor. Be right back, y'all. Go back outside. We're on the 2nd floor.
And we're about to head on to the 3rd floor. Come on, guys. We need more people watching this. This is live right now. We we are posting this live right now. She will release it on YouTube the day after today, or maybe tonight.
It's today. Cause I don't know how to edit my
We are serious. Come on, people. More subscribers.
If you guys can relate, then yeah, legit.
Tell them your goal of subscribers.
Okay, my goal is subscribe.